Hello children, welcome to your English video class. Children, I'm sure you all are watching the videos, you all are going through the topics that are explained in video classes. You know that we are doing chapter 8 of your main course book, which is Blackie the Clever Crow. I have read this chapter for you. I have explained the chapter paragraph wise. The whole chapter is explained and I have completed the explanation part in the previous video. I hope you have understood the chapter. I have explained the grammatical points also of that chapter. From grammar point of view also I have explained the chapter, and I have also given explanation of the difficult words. If you have not seen, please go through the video so that the chapter is clear to you. In today's video we will be doing exercise in the form of question answers, fill in the blanks, completing the sentences. Children, exercises are given at the end of the chapter also, but that we will not do. That we have already done that. So I will be giving you exercises from the content of the chapter. Chapter के अंदर से मैं आपके लिए questions frame करके आपको कराऊंगी, so that the whole chapter is covered and it is revised thoroughly. We will start with questions. Some questions we will start. Then the answers can be in one sentence or two sentences. And that all the questions will be from the content of the chapter. Let's do the exercise, but before that, let me revise the story once. Children, in this story, there was a farmer named Kishan Lal. Kishan Lal was farmer, as I told you, and he lived in deep in a desert, in a faraway land. He was very kind-hearted person who always used to help the poor people, the needy people. So one day what happened, one morning Kishan Lal found a crow lying on the doormat of his house. The crow was tired and he had been flying for great distance without water, so he has fallen there. Kishan Lal very carefully picked that crow and he gave some water to crow. Also prepared a little bed for the crow in a shoe box. He took an empty shoe box and prepared a bed for that crow so that the crow can rest in it. And soon the crow got back its strength. The crow recovered and he became Kishan Lal's friend. The crow became Kishan Lal's friend. The crow used to follow Kishan Lal, perching on his shoulder. Kishan Lal's other friends, other farmers, they used to make fun of Kishan Lal because he made a crow as his friend. Crow is a very common bird. It is not beautiful bird. So his friend, Kishan Lal's friend, used to make fun of him for his new friend. But Kishan Lal loved his crow and he named it as Blackie. Then what happened? One night when the night was dark, when there was no moon in the sky, some thief entered Kishan Lal's farm. Now the crow, Blackie, he saw them. He spotted the thieves, that the thieves were entering the farm. So in order to warn about the danger, crow started cawing loudly. He started making noise by cawing loudly. Listening to the noise, Kishan Lal and other farmers, his neighbors, they awakened, they got up and they caught the thieves. And they took the thieves to the police station. But what happened? One of the thieves, he could not be caught because he was hiding behind some freshly cut crops. Crops were kept in a sack, bore mein rakhe bolte na sack. So crops were packed, kept in some sack, and that thief was hiding behind that crops, so he could not be seen, he could not be caught. Rest of the thieves were taken to the police station. Now this thief, the one who was hiding behind the crops, he was very angry with Kishan Lal because Kishan Lal took his friends to the police station. So he decided to take revenge. He planned to set fire to the crops on Kishan Lal's farm. Set fire to means to burn. So he decided to burn the crops of Kishan Lal's farm. And with this intention, he waited till the next night so that he can again enter the farm. So next night, he crept inside the farm holding a flaming torch in his hand. Again, Blackie noticed this. He was alert, and Blackie was alert, and he saw the thief creeping into the farm. This time, the crow thought that he realized that the same plan that worked earlier will not be successful this time. Last time he started cawing loudly, he made noise so that Kishan Lal and other neighbors woke up. But this time he thought that if he cawed, if he made a noise, and by the time Kishan Lal and others will come out of their house, it will be too late. By the time the thief would have burned the crop. So he decided to fight with the thief. He did not care for his life, and courageously he started pecking at the thief. He started fighting with the thief, you can say, with his beak, and so that he can distract the thief. The thief wanted to burn the crop, but the crow started pecking at him, so that his attention diverted. Thief's attention diverted, and he started shooing away the crow. He started shooing away crow means वो उसने crow को भगाना शुरू किया. But the crow kept attacking at him. Finally, the thief was tired and he decided to shoot the crow. He tried to shoot, but he could not kill the crow. The crow got hurt, but the noise of the shot awakened everyone. Kishan Lal and other farmers, they woke up and they caught the thief. Now, since the crow was hurt, all the farmers, all the neighbors, they gathered around Blackie and they helped Kishan Lal to bandage its wings. And everybody was praising crow for its bravery, for its intelligence, for its loyalty, for its cleverness. Everybody was saying good words for him. And the town rewarded crow with a special bravery medal. Because he did a brave task, he alone fought with the thief without caring for his life, so he was awarded with bravery medal. The crow wore the medal very proudly, and he continued doing such good works in future also. So this was the story of this chapter. ये पूरे chapter की story थी. अब हम करेंगे इस chapter के question answers. So let's do. And children, these questions are not from the exercise of the chapter. ये chapter के exercise से questions नहीं लिए गए हैं. These questions are framed from the chapter so that your chapter is covered and the chapter is the content of the chapter is totally clear to you. First question is, who was Kishan Lal? A very simple question. Who was Kishan Lal? Kishan Lal कौन था? Who was Kishan Lal? Kishan Lal was a farmer. Yes, simple. Simple आपको लिखना है आंसर Kishan. Kishan Lal was a farmer. किशन लाल कौन था? किशन लाल एक फार्मर था, एक किसान था. फार्मर किसको बोलते हैं? द पर्सन हु ग्रोज क्रॉप्स। नेक्स्ट, वेयर डिड Kishanlal find the crow? Where did Kishanlal find the crow? किशनलाल को वो क्रो कहाँ पर मिला? वो जो क्रो था वो किशनलाल को कहाँ मिला? कहाँ मिला? राइट आंसर, किशनलाल फाउंड। अब फाइंड का क्या हो जाएगा? फाउंड, क्योंकि यहाँ डिड है तो ये फाउंड हो जाएगा। किशनलाल फाउंड द crow on the doormat of his house. किशनलाल को वो क्रो कहाँ मिला? अपने घर के डोरमैट पर मिला। किशनलाल फाउंड द क्रो ऑन द डोरमैट ऑफ हिज हाउस। घर के डोरमैट पे ही मिला था ना। नेक्स्ट, व्हाट डिड ही यूज टू मेक द बेड for the crow? What did he use to make the bed for the crow? अब उसने क्रो के लिए बेड बनाया था, तो उसने क्या यूज किया? किस चीज से उसने क्रो के लिए बेड बनाया? What did he use? He used a shoe box. Kishanlal used a shoe box to make a little bed for the crow. Kishanlal used a shoebox to make a little bed for the crow. Okay. Kishanlal used a shoebox to make a little bed for the crow. या Kishanlal made a little bed for the crow using a shoe box. Okay. Kishanlal used a shoe box and made a little bed for the crow. There are various ways of writing the answer. You can write in whichever way you like. Okay, go through this. 3 questions we have. Now let's do the next question. Question number 4. Why did Kishanlal's friend make fun of him? Why did Kishanlal's friend make fun of him? किशनलाल के जो फ्रेंड्स थे वो उसका मजाक क्यों उड़ाते थे? क्यों उड़ाते थे मजाक? बिकॉज किशनलाल मेड अ क्रो एज हिज फ्रेंड, क्योंकि किशनलाल ने एक क्रो को अपना फ्रेंड बना लिया था। कॉमन सा क्रो, एक ऑर्डिनरी से क्रो को उसने अपना फ्रेंड बना लिया था। और क्रो को हम ब्यूटीफुल बर्ड नहीं मानते हैं, तो इसलिए लोग उसका मजाक उड़ा रहे थे। ठीक है, तो हम आंसर लिखेंगे कि किशनलाल फ्रेंड्स लिखे made fun of him because of his new found friend, because he made crow as his friend लिख देते हैं, because he made crow as his friend, he made crow his friend, क्योंकि उसने एक क्रो को अपना फ्रेंड बना लिया था। और क्योंकि क्रो बहुत ऑर्डिनरी बर्ड माना जाता है, ब्यूटीफुल बर्ड नहीं माना जाता है, इसलिए किशनलाल के फ्रेंड्स ने उसका मजाक उड़ाना शुरू कर दिया। बिकॉज ही मेड क्रो हिज फ्रेंड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, who entered Kishanlal's farm one day? Who entered Kishanlal's farm one day? किशनलाल के फार्म में एक दिन कौन घुस गया? Who entered his farm one day? Some thieves. Yes, कुछ चोर घुस गए किशनलाल के फार्म में। तो हम लिखेंगे some thieves. Some thieves entered his. अब बार बार किशनलाल नाम लिख के आप इसकी जगह पर his लिख सकते हो, प्रोनाउन यूज कर सकते हो। ठीक है, some thieves entered his farm one day. ठीक है, some thieves entered his farm one day. Instead of writing Kishanlal, you can write his. Some thieves entered his farm one day. Next question is, how did one of the thieves decided to take a revenge? How did one of the question is, where was one of the thieves hiding? पहला क्वेश्चन है, where was one of the thieves hiding? जो चोर थे उनमें से जो एक चोर था वो कहाँ छुप गया? कहाँ छुप गया? One of the thieves was hiding behind the freshly cut crops. तुरंत जो क्रॉप्स काट के रखे हुए थे, बोरों में भर भर के रखा हुआ था, उनके पीछे जाकर वो छुप गया। तो आप क्या लिखिए यहाँ पर? One of the thieves was hiding behind the freshly cut crops. One of the thieves was hiding behind the freshly cut crops. Got it? अब ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको बहुत फेमिलियर लग रहे हैं क्योंकि सारा कुछ हमने चैप्टर में डिस्कस किया हुआ है, तो ये आपको सब समझ में आ रहा होगा क्योंकि हम चैप्टर के साथ ग्रेजुअली बढ़ रहे हैं और उनके टॉपिक्स को लेते जा रहे हैं। चलिए नेक्स्ट पे चलते हैं। गो थ्रू दीज क्वेश्चंस, देन आई विल राइट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Now, next question is, how did the thief planned to take revenge? Yeah, how did the thief decided to take revenge? How did the thief decide to take revenge? How did the thief decide to take revenge? जो चोर था उसने बदला लेने का क्या क्या डिसीजन लिया, कैसे डिसाइड किया कि वो कैसे बदला लेगा? उसने क्या किया? The thief decided to set fire to the crops on Kishan Lal's farm. Set fire to मतलब आग लगा देना, burn कर देना. That is called set fire to. We will write the word set fire to only because we have to learn new words also, new phrases also. Answer: the thief decided. यहाँ did था तो decide not decided. The thief decided to set fire to the crops on Kishan Lal's farm. The thief decided to set fire to the crops on Kishan Lal's farm. उसने डिसाइड किया कि वो क्रॉप्स में आग लगा देगा और किशन लाल से बदला ले लेगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु स्पॉटेड द थीफ? हु स्पॉटेड द थीव्स? सारे चोरों को किसने सबसे पहले देखा था? चोर एंटर कर रहे थे सारे, तो सबसे पहले किसने देखा? हु स्पॉटेड देम? ब्लैकी. ब्लैकी स्पॉटेड देम, द क्रो. ब्लैकी स्पॉटेड द ब्लैकी ने उन चोरों को घुसते हुए देखा. Blackie spotted them when they were entering the farm. Okay. Next question. Question है हमारा, Blackie spotted the thieves. Next question is, how did Blackie alert the farmer? How did Blackie alert the farmer? Yeah, what the farmer is it? How did Blackie warn the farmer of danger? How did Blackie warn the farmer of dangers? How did Blackie warn the farmer about danger? You can say, if not of. Of is also correct and about danger is also there. How did Blackie warn the farmer about danger? about danger. ब्लैकी ने फार्मर मतलब किशन लाल को खतरे के बारे में कैसे वार्न किया, कैसे बताया, कैसे बताया? ही स्टार्टेड काउइंग लाउडली. ठीक है, ब्लैकी started calling loudly to warn Blackie started calling loudly to warn about the danger. Blackie started calling loudly to warn about the danger. या आप लिख सकते हैं Blackie started calling loudly to warn of the danger. Warn of the danger भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है, या फिर warn about the danger भी लिख सकते हैं. Blackie started calling loudly to warn about the danger. उसने जोर जोर से काम करना शुरू कर दिया. Okay. You can also write the phrase Blackie raised an alarm by cawing loudly. ठीक है, Blackie raised an alarm by cawing loudly. Raised an alarm का मतलब सेम, खतरे के बारे में किसी को बताना. So you can also write for the right answer कि Blackie raised an alarm by cawing loudly. ये जो रेज एन अलार्म है इसका मतलब हुआ खतरे के बारे में किसी को आगाह करना, सूचित करना, सतर्क करना. सो ये रेज एन अलार्म बाय काविंग लाउडली. 9th का आंसर आप ये भी लिख सकते हो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 लिखा था उसका आंसर आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. How did why was Blackie rewarded? क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Why was Blackie rewarded? Blackie को रिवॉर्ड क्यों मिला? Blackie was rewarded for his bravery. अपनी उसकी बहादुरी के लिए उसे रिवॉर्ड दिया गया. ठीक है, तो Blackie was rewarded with special bravery medal. ये लिख सकते हैं Blackie was rewarded. And how? Why was Blackie rewarded and how? ठीक है, Blackie was rewarded with special bravery medal. Bravery medal for his bravery. यहाँ पे जो bravery medal लिखा है इसी से प्रूफ हो जा रहा है कि उसको ब्लैकी वॉज रिवॉर्डेड विद स्पेशल मेडल फॉर हिज ब्रेवरी. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, अगर आपने यहाँ ब्रेवरी नहीं लिखा है तो आप इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं. ब्लैकी वॉज रिवॉर्डेड विद स्पेशल मेडल फॉर हिज ब्रेवरी. ठीक है, ब्लैकी वॉज रिवॉर्डेड विद स्पेशल मेडल फॉर हिज ब्रेवरी. Why was Blackie rewarded and how? Blackie was rewarded with special medal for its bravery. क्योंकि हमें उसको का जेंडर नहीं पता है ना, तो we'll write its. Blackie was rewarded with special medal for its bravery. ठीक है, तो ये हमने किए 10 questions. These are the 10 questions that we did, and we will do more exercise related to this chapter. But आज के वीडियो को यहीं पे क्लोज करते हैं. We have done 10 questions. Other work is also there from the chapter that we will do in the next video. अपने अगले वीडियो में हम करेंगे वो जो बचे हुए exercises हैं. Till then, revise these questions and clear your doubts if you have any in the online class. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.